For years, we've been told amyloid plaques cause Alzheimer's disease, but a massive new review of 20,000 plus patients just challenged one of the biggest assumptions in Alzheimer's research. Alzheimer's medications, called anti-amyloid monoclonal antibodies, are designed to remove amyloid plaque buildup in the brain, one of the most recognized features in Alzheimer's disease. But even though these drugs successfully reduce amyloid levels in the brain, the review found little to no evidence of improvement in cognitive function or dementia severity after 18 months of treatment. In other words, removing the amyloid did not translate into meaningful improvement in memory, thinking, ability, or daily function. The review also found increased risk of side effects, including brain swelling and small brain bleeds seen on MRI. These findings highlight an important shift in how many researchers are thinking about Alzheimer's disease. Rather than being the primary cause, the amyloid may actually represent part of the brain's defense system, produced in response to underlying stressors or injury. In other words, amyloid may be a signal that something is wrong rather than the root problem itself. Research increasingly suggests that Alzheimer's disease is influenced by multiple interconnected processes, including chronic inflammation, metabolic dysfunction, mitochondrial impairment, vascular changes, toxin exposure, nutrient deficiencies, sleep disruption, and impaired cellular repair mechanisms. Many of these factors directly impact mitochondrial function and the brain's ability to efficiently produce energy. This helps explain why approaches that support metabolic health, reduce inflammation, and improve cellular resilience may influence cognitive outcomes more meaningfully than targeting amyloid alone. Research physicians such as Delbredesen and Kat Toops have demonstrated that personalized, multi-factor approaches can improve cognitive testing and symptoms in many patients when these underlying contributing factors are addressed. And our BrainLift program is based on this research. For individuals already experiencing dementia, emerging therapies are also being investigated that target different mechanisms beyond just amyloid plaque. One example is TB006, an investigational therapy currently being studied for its potential role in supporting cognitive function in individuals with Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Our clinic has been approved as an investigational site to be able to offer TB006 through expanded access pathways for qualified patients. While no single therapy is a cure, research increasingly suggests that addressing brain health through multiple pathways may offer the greatest opportunity to influence outcomes.